Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. Any city where you would like to live in the future. You should say where is it location, how you know about this city, your source of information about that city. What is it famous for? Why is that city famous? And why you would like to live there. So your cue card is a combination of present and future tense. Okay. So you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
My hometown is model town. I like my town is very much, but certain reasons I want to move the other city. I would like to explain something about that city. I love to move Islamabad, because most of my relatives are live there, and I have a lot of knowledge about that areas, because I spend most of our time with my at that areas with my relatives and relatives. The famous things of that area is mosque, which is the masterpiece of the one of the masterpiece, and a beautiful mosque in the world, Faisal Mosque. And the other thing is that the Islamabad is the capital of our country, and finally the hill stations are near to Islamabad. I am fond of visit that areas, so whenever I got some vacations, I go to that areas easily and visit the areas. And about Islamabad is very calm city, and the weather of that cities are very pleasant.
Okay, that's fine. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Okay. Overall, it is good, but I advise you that you should make some notes according to the topic and then speak from those notes. At least your answer will be well organized one, right? Now, I found some mistakes. The first thing is you were not speaking very fluently. Okay. In your answer, there were several like that, and there were some pauses as well. In the beginning, you said, I want to move the city. Now, you want to move the city means you will move the city, okay, right? So, it should be moved to the city. Then you said, my relatives are live there. So, we don't use is MR with first form of the verb. My relatives are live there. That's wrong. You should have said my relatives live there. Mm-hmm. Then again you said I want to move Islamabad. Okay. Means Islamabad ko dhakka lagana hai. Not like that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then you said one of the masterpiece. After one of the, we always use plural. One of the masterpieces. One of the class fellows. One of the students. Mm-hmm. And then you said I got vacation. Whenever I got vacation, I go there. Not got. Whenever I get vacation, I go there. So grammatical mistakes, fluency, pauses, you should overcome these things. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do more and more people live in the city?
Because more and more.
Never start your answer with because.
Okay.
You should say a vast majority of people live in the city because, and then give the reasons. Yeah.
Vast of people live in city because there are many opportunities they avail easily, like the study status and or pattern of cities are well managed and organized, and the hospitals are available easily, and
okay. All right, so just try to connect your ideas. Now, for example, why do more and more people live in the city? A vast majority of people prefer to live in the city for various reasons. First of all, education. Make a sentence about it. Okay. Secondly, medication, right? And finally, facilities which are offered in the city. These facilities cannot be availed elsewhere. Therefore, more and more people want to live in the cities. There should be some proper answer, okay? Let's go on. What are some factors that attract people to settle down in certain places. What are some factors mean? What are the reasons why people settle down in a certain city or place? You can say there are several factors. First of all, facilities. Facilities like electricity, internet, communication facilities and all that. Secondly, the location where that area is located. Is there a motorway or railway station or airport near? And finally, then you can talk about third thing, right? So for part 3, you need to work very hard. You should work hard with that, okay? The way you performed at present, I will rank you at 5 band, but you should work very hard for it, okay? Thank you.